Hi, everybody. I wanted to talk about Fibonacci next, which is really important. Hopefully, you've watched a video that I've got getting created right now, how to use trendline gauge, high-level instruments section for trading opportunities. Another one that I think is helpful is the Fibonacci. There's two purposes for Fibonacci. So if I pull up, I don't know, let's just stay with oil, the Brent oil commodity, CFD. So here we've gone through the trend lines, but let's just figure out what's going on with the overall pricing of the Fibonacci commodity. Okay, so historically, since 2016, we are levels historically at up to this point, 2017, on Brent oil at $46, which is a classic entry, because if you are going to buy into, you want to be below this period. So these two lines here are your different levels for Fibonacci, and these can be used for a variety of purposes. From a high level, you can clearly see that the price of oil is definitely underpriced. At these periods, it's overpriced by a lot. And again, that's historically since 2016. So when you go into the 4-hour Fibonacci, all of a sudden, historically, it's now overpriced since 2017, or going into the February, recently, beginning of the year, where it's currently kind of overpriced. So it's very important to understand the value from a historical point on these price levels to know if they are over or underpriced. Now, if you were to say have if you were to have a intraday strategy historically since February to when this was generated on March 8th, we would be able to determine if historically since this time period, the beginning, if it's a good entry. Clearly, it's kind of overpriced. Now, that's one purpose you can use to gauge the value of a price. The other thing I do like a price of Fibonacci is you can use the min and max gauge Fibonacci, and then if you decide to go into the market on this instrument, you can then again use these price levels. So let's say historically on the daily as an example, let's say again, let me just get a better pricing here. Let's see where copper is at. Copper's undervalued. Copper hourly. Oh, here's a good one. So the Fibonacci trick. So let's say you liked what you see with copper, the copper CMD, or CFD. So you're in this range, and you decide, I want to start watching the Fibonacci levels with copper. So if we have trend lines or just things, that indicators that are pointing that this will go up, we can historically say, maybe we can set the entry price here or here at 322, let's say roughly, or 324 roughly. So once this price breaks through and we know we have trend and the other historical indicators in our favor, we can maybe able to say, well, let's set some confirmation price levels, target levels here, this red line or this green line as confirmation. Once those prices break through, and again on an hourly chart, that might be a decent time to jump in. But you have to ensure that you have all the other indicators pointing in your favor. So that's pretty well how a Fibonacci retracement can help you for both pricing as well as to set value historically on whatever period you're watching. Hopefully it'll help you out.